You're about to wake up and lead. Welcome to PromptYES. Today I'll show you how to build an AI-powered morning routine. One that helps you think clearly, stay focused, and actually move toward your goals before the day even starts. All it takes is 2 minutes and a few smart prompts. Have you ever faced a problem? A complex decision? A tricky negotiation? Your usual AI prompts give generic answers. They respond to your question directly. But what if the AI needs to understand more? What if it needs to think differently? To go beyond the surface? Today, on PromptYES, we introduce a powerful technique. It's called reverse prompting. It's not just about getting an answer. It's about getting a strategic answer. An answer that considers context. That challenges assumptions. That forces AI to think deeply. It's a game changer for critical thinking. What is reverse prompting? Instead of asking AI for the answer, you ask it to analyze your question. Identify your hidden assumptions. Point out potential biases. Explore the underlying problem. You're making the AI your strategic consultant. It's a meta-prompting technique. It changes how AI processes your request. Let's look at a common scenario. Bad prompt. Give me marketing ideas for a new coffee shop. AI output, social media, loyalty program, grand opening. Generic. This is what most people get. It's direct. It's expected. But it lacks strategic depth. It doesn't consider your unique situation. Now, let's apply reverse prompting. You preface your main question. You instruct the AI to analyze first. The reverse prompt structure. Before answering my question, first analyze what my question implies. Identify any unstated assumptions, potential biases, or missing information. Then, explain how you will address these in your answer. Finally, provide your answer. Using our coffee shop example. Reverse prompt. Before answering my question, first analyze what my question implies. Identify any unstated assumptions, e.g., target audience, budget, location type, unique selling proposition, potential biases, e.g., assuming traditional marketing, or missing information. Then, explain how you will address these in your answer. Finally, give me marketing ideas for a new coffee shop. AI's analysis. Example. Your question implies you need broad marketing ideas but assumes a standard coffee shop. I will consider target demographics, students, professionals, budget constraints, competitive landscape, and if there's a unique theme. I will avoid generic ideas and focus on actionable, tailored strategies. AI's enhanced output. Then, truly innovative ideas based on the analysis. This AI is now thinking strategically. When to use reverse prompting. Complex problem solving. You need a nuanced solution. Strategic planning. Developing long-term goals or market entry. Decision making. Evaluating options with critical insight. Research and analysis. Avoiding biased or superficial information. Negotiations. Understanding the other party's perspective. It elevates your AI from a responder to a true strategic partner. Reverse prompting forces AI to be introspective. It makes AI think about your thinking. This leads to far more robust, more insightful, and ultimately, more actionable advice. It's how you move from basic queries to advanced strategic leverage of AI. Mastering reverse prompting is a vital skill. It's for anyone who wants AI to be more than just a search engine. It transforms AI into your personal think tank, your strategic advisor, your unbiased analyst. Start asking AI to analyze your questions and watch your insights deepen. Here's your PromptYES challenge. Fire prompt of the episode right pointing arrow. Take a recent complex question you asked AI. Now, apply reverse prompting to it. Share your original question and AI's new analysis. Down finger comment below. How did reverse prompting change AI's answer for you? Subscribe to PromptYES for more strategic AI systems. Master AI. Build smarter. Only on PromptYES.